Hi everyone, welcome back to our Python program series. Today, we're learning how to use while loop. One of the most common loops is in Python. Step 1. Setting up the variable. Here we start by setting number to 1. This variable will keep track of our count. Step 2. The while loop. This line means keep looping while the value of number is less than or equal to 5. So as long as number is 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, the loop will keep running. Step 3. The loop body. This prints the current number each time of the loop runs. Step 4. Updating the variable. This line adds 1 to number every time the loop repeats. If we forget this line, the number will never change. Step and 5. The loop will go on forever. That's Step called 5, an infinite loop. When number becomes 6, the condition number 5 is no longer true to loop stops. Finally, this line runs. It prints a message to show the loop has finished. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.